It's almost 11 o'clock. Are you ready? We'll miss the train. Let's hurry up.
Chalo.
Let's go. Come.
So finally we have reached the station. So let's run to the platform and catch our train. Welcome back guys. Today we are at a train themed restaurant named ISIRI Bar. So let's show you around. We got our brother who is Bengali from Nodia. So he makes awesome dishes in this restaurant.
Mr. Shamin, Nodia Krishnanagar Amanda.
Krishnanagar থেকে বিরিয়ানিটা কথা বলুন।
বিরিয়ানিটা আমিই বানাই। আমার অ্যাকচুয়ালি এখানে আমার 8 বছর ধরে কাজ করছে এই এমডির কাছে, অনেকটা এক্সপিরিয়েন্স হয়ে গেছে আমার, ঠিক আছে। আপনারা দেখতে পারেন বিরিয়ানিটাকে আমি বানাচ্ছি। আপনারা সবাই আসুন, এখানে খান, ভালো লাগবে, বিরিয়ানিটা টেস্ট করুন। আরও বাঙালি খানা এখানে পাওয়া যায় বন্ধুরা, ঠিক আছে। আরও ভ্যারাইটি এখানে ডিশ আছে, আপনাদের নিশ্চয়ই পছন্দ হবে।
So we have ordered multani paneer tikka. So I'm gonna try this with the mint chutney and a ring of onion. Let's see. paneer is soft. The mint chutney is complementing the paneer. The spiciness of the mint chutney and the onion rings, it's actually the match made in heaven, what you say, the paneer tikka is. This is the chicken ghee roast. You can actually see the ghee dripping. My mouth is watering. So I'm gonna put some lemon. I know, but it's gonna taste good, I think. And some onions. So let's try. Wow, it's so soft. It's just falling off. Wow. The flavor of ghee, it's like excellent. And the onion, garlic, tomato, chili sauteed in the ghee, and the softness of this chicken. Wow, wow. So this is Ghee dosa, South Indian special, made with rice flour only. So I'm gonna try this with the chicken ghee roast. Wow. So there is a saying in Hindi that जितनी भी तारीफ करो उतनी कम है. It actually applies in the chicken ghee roast. Thumbs up. Ghee dosa. It really is like it's complementing the flavors of the ghee roast. And we also have Mangalorean special chicken gasi. So I'm gonna try the gravy. Let's see. Wow. So good. I'm gonna try this with Ghee dosa. I can't wait because the gravy flavor, it's so prominent with coconut, and I think it's made with coconut oil. So I'm just gonna dig in. Wow. This combination, like, superb. And I'm gonna try the chicken also. The coconut that is blended in the gravy, the chicken has taken all the flavors inside, and it's like we're having a soft, succulent chicken in a coconut-based gravy. It's so good. So here we have a sear fish, thick cut, and so I'm gonna put some lemon. Let's try this. Wow. It's fleshy, it's thick, it's juicy, and the lemon juice really complemented the fish coating and the fish flesh. It's yummy. Yummy to the power infinity. So we have here the pot biryani. Oh wow. Wow, wow, beautiful. The smell is, the aroma, the smell, the fragrance. It's like this, all the stars that you see in the sky. That feeling you get. It's beautiful, it's beautiful. Just stand up to serve it. So, yum. chunk and a big piece of mutton inside. I'm trying to get it in one spoon. Yep. Let me take some rice. So, I'm gonna take some salad. Let me cover it up so it stays warm. I'll take some salad. It's steaming hot. Yep. I'm also gonna take a piece of mutton if I get hold of it. Wow, I'm speechless. I have no words to explain how tasty it is, how flavorful it is. Like, I have had biryani in Bangalore since last 2 years, but this specialty of ISIRI restaurant, the pot biryani, is awesome. Awesome, sir. And it's much recommended to come here and have this pot biryani. It's stupendous, fantabulous, like phantasmagorical, magical. So, a sweet end to a hearty meal we experienced. So if you have not liked the video, like, share, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. It's awesome. Let me finish this.